Make it, sing it, draw it, say it. This is how dog zombies play it. Doodle monster, furry creature, draw a picture of my teacher. I like wafers, they're the best. Marcus Meldrew's not impressed. Granny's custard's very lumpy. Delia is always grumpy. I'm Tom, that's my name. So join in with my favourite games. Get ready, 'cause here we go. Welcome to my brilliant show. Hi, I'm Tom, and it's raining a lot today.
I'm just floating past winter here. I bet you wish you could float.
Do you need something to do, Tom?
No, sir. I'm doing some drawing.
Oh, well done, Tom. Norman, no dancing on the table.
You weren't drawing. You just made that up.
I am drawing. Look. Aha.
Very funny. Two can play that game. See? Looks just like you.
That's a great idea. Let me have a go with this ruler.
I love that. I'm going to have a go.
Ah, me too.
Wow. I think I've started a craze. Everyone's playing my doodle game.
This is fun.
Classic, Brad. Ooh, I've got an idea.
Oh, wonder what he's gonna do.
Well, we'll find out right after drawing!
Hi, Tom likes drawing round objects, and I know exactly what he'd do with these two pens.
It's Liz. She writes and draws all the Tom Gates books.
Okay. What do you think? Let's see. Draw a hair.
Wonder what it's going to be.
Ears. There we go. Now the best bit. Now do you know? Remind you of anyone yet?
Got it. Thanks, Liz.
It's Mr Keane, Tom's headmaster, and he's got really, really bushy eyebrows. Might make them bigger in a minute. What do you think? Do you think that looks like Mr Keane? I do. Let's make that line nice and thick. So it's very cross like that.
Wow, that's cool.
Add that bit there. Maybe make his hair a bit thicker. That's better. It's Mr Keane with the eyebrows.
Love it.
There you go, that's Mr Keane. What would you turn them into?
Oh, thanks, Liz. That was great. Why don't you give it a go?
Me? Oh, the absolute cheek of it. Well, I never.
That pesky cat is back again. I think it's time for Sing It.
I'm as quiet as a mouse. I make my home in someone else's house. I'm not fussy, any place will do. If it's warm, I like a place with food. You won't hear me taking a stroll straight through the flowers, jump on a wall, over the grass. Hey, I don't care. I'm awake in the dark and asleep in the day. Where I be your best friend. Cat, kitty cat. If there's food in the pot once it's gone, I'll be up like a shark. And if I go missing, just do me a big favor. Don't make a big scene, 'cause now I live with your neighbor.
Now I can get some sleep. That singing cat has finally moved on. To the tree in Derek's garden.
Welcome to my brilliant show.
Classic. Oh, man.
Dad, can we have cake now?
Yeah, in a minute.
In a minute does not mean in a minute. We could be here for a while.
Oh, man. Oh, I wish I could write like this.
Whilst I'm dreaming of cake, it's time for Draw It! It's the Doodle box. I wonder what it's going to be.
Hi, I'm Liz and I write and draw the Tom Gates books. And right now, let's see what's in the box.
I love this bit.
Okay. Yes, it's a cake. Excellent. Well, you might be wondering what I'm going to do, apart from eat it, of course. I'm actually going to use some very special icing sugar and do a doodle on it.
Amazing.
Always get an adult to help you make the icing sugar, especially when you're adding the food colouring. I've mixed up very, very dark, almost black, and I'm using a clean paintbrush or a new paintbrush. I'm going to draw Tom. And as it's a round cake, I'm going to do Tom's face in the middle. You can get other things to use onto a cake, or you can use icing sugar pens. They work just as well. I just find it easier with a paintbrush and a bit of icing. You can always have a practice in pencil on a piece of paper first, before you start doing your design on your cake if you want. Just so you know what you're doing.
Got it. Thanks, Liz.
If you mix up a nice pot of icing sugar, so it's nice and runny, then it won't set quite so quickly and you'll be able to move the icing sugar around on the cake a bit more. Careful not to lean your hand on the cake. You don't want to put it in the icing sugar. Right, done the logo. Let's do some of my stars. I'm going to do a few of my lines to make them look like shooting stars, I think. Right, now I'm going to paint a line around the stars and then start filling it in. This style of doodling, you can see it's great. It goes on all different kinds of things, including cakes. So I do these little curved lines that just follow one after the other. Just curving each one, you just follow the line. Tom Gates doodled on cake. Hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Ah, thanks, Liz. That was great. Why don't you give it a go?
Welcome to my brilliant show.